Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be changing out this edger or weed whacker bump head. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you so you can check it out for the best deal. But this is the old one right over here. You can see it's severely worn, and the spring also doesn't want to push this bump head back out. The spring's actually right over here. It's kind of worn out. So we're going to be removing this piece here, and this is a Homelite weed whacker or edger. All right, so basically what I'm going to be using today is this adjustable wrench. And you want to get around this neck right here. It's like a nut, and just hold that down stationary. Let me see if I can angle it here for you. Just gonna hold it down, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn this part. So I'm behind the edger, so I'm actually gonna be turning it clockwise like this. So I'm gonna hold this down and then twist, just like that, and you're basically going to unscrew it. So that's how that works. So once you have the base off that was attached to here, you can choose to replace it with a brand new head that has the base already and you just screw it on. Or you can actually leave this back on if there's nothing wrong with the integrity of this piece right here and the clips are fine. So since these parts are exactly the same, I can actually just leave this back on here, screw it on, just like so, tighten it down, just like that. Remember, keep that nut right there stationary. But what I can do is, since these are exactly the same parts, I can just pop this out, put the spring, and transfer it to the old one, just like that. And then I can just take the edger bump head or weed whacker head and feed it right into here, just like so. Just like this. Pop it on there, just like that. Also, I forgot to mention, sometimes the actual screw adapter inside here is not the correct size, so you can actually use a flathead and get underneath it and pop it out, and you can transfer it to the other one. This piece can go in here and vice versa, just like that. And this one can go in here. And the diameters are just a little bit different on the inside for the threads. So if you ever have that issue and you want to avoid having to buy an adapter, you can take out the old screw bolt and swap them out. You can just pop it out, just like so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one out. Since it feels like it threads better, I'll put this into the new one. So you just push it down into the top, and then screw it on here just like so. Put the new one on. Again, keep this part stationary. So you're just gonna grab this and then tighten it down just like so. And then get your spring that it came with, stick it into the centerpiece just like so. Then go ahead and feed in your edger line, and then you're ready to pop that in there just like so. And you're all done. So you can see the difference here. This is the new edger head. I changed out the base and the cover, and this is the old one. I have one last edger tip for you today. If you ever have your stringer wrap around here like this, it's because this blade right here is probably dull. So if I were you, I would try to sharpen it. I usually use this Dremel tool with this sanding bit, and it works every time. I do this at least twice a season. And so once this is sharpened, then this blade will chop your stringer line perfectly. What happens is if it's dull, it actually keeps banging against it, and it keeps on getting elongated, and it eventually wraps around the whole thing. So I'm gonna sharpen this really quick for you so you can see how I do it. I just do the back side first. And then I do the top side. And whenever you're sharpening it, make sure you do it at an angle, not flat against it, because you want to create a knife-like sharp bladed edge just like this. So try to get the top side and the bottom and angle it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and all the little tips I gave you. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.